Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to talk about furniture layout. Okay, so basically what is furniture layout? So furniture layout is an architectural plan where we also place the furniture inside it. So you have to mark where the bedroom will be placed, where the sink will be placed, where the toilet will be placed, where the sofa should be placed. Everything is pre-planned, and when you just take your furnitures, you have to exactly place them at the right place. Now that is the one use of it. The second use of it is it looks impressive to your client. So yes, you can get a lot of projects if you are giving them the furniture layout. So being an architect or a civil engineer, you should practice to give them the furniture layout instead of a like plain plan. Okay. Now the next benefit of it is that if you have to plan the MEP, like where you have to put on the electrical sockets and when where you have to put the put on the plumbing work, then this furniture layout is going to help you out. Okay. Also, if you have the furniture layout, then you can also properly arrange the tiles beforehand, so you do not have to rely on your mission that okay, you have to place the tile, so you can just place it according to your convenience, or just to place it in such a way that it looks good. Okay, if you have the furniture layout, you can actually calculate how the tiles should be placed. Okay, so furniture layout is must in the architectural world. Okay, so now the question is how we can make a furniture layout. So guys, this is quite simple. However, you may take a lot of time to make the furniture layout, but the way that it is made is very simple. So I'm just going to show you how I have prepared the furniture layout for my client. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen with you and you can have a review of that. Okay, so guys, this is my plan. Okay, and here I have to just make the furniture layout of it. So how I have to do it? I have to simply just make the copy of another plan. I will simply rename it and I will change my drawing number and the date where it has to be made. Then I will just calculate the area if I need that. Okay. Otherwise, for the furniture layout, you can just have a rough idea with the I, like I reference that, okay, from where I should take the furnitures and what should be the particular area or the sizes of it. Now there is a website called CD Block. Okay, so from there you can simply download a lot of furnitures and now then you can scale them. Scaling is quite easy in the AutoCAD as you have the scale command, but for the furniture layout, what I prefer is the align command. So you have to simply just scale the objects using the align command and then you have to place it at the correct place. Okay, just I have placed the toilet seat over here. Okay, now if I have to pick up another furniture, like let's say I have to pick up bed. Okay, so I can simply pick a bed from here, or if you have made any previous plan with the furniture layout, then it is very much convenient to pick the common furnitures from there. Why so? Because if you will just do it in that manner, then you already have scaled it. Okay, so you not do not have to use the align command or even the scale command to simply scale the furnitures, and you can simply bring it to your plan and then you can rotate it according to your convenience and you can simply just place it. Now you can see in the case of the staircase, I have some hidden lines. Okay, and that was very much crucial to show that okay, these lines will be above the 5 feet of the floor. Okay, from the ground level. So I had to place it back then. But for the furniture layout, I can simply hide it. I can also give a cross mark over there, but I have not used it over here. Now I can place the beds over here so that it is clearly visible over there. If I will not delete my hidden lines, then what will happen? That it may just look clumsy over there because the lines of the stairs and the bed was colliding over there. Okay, so you have to think accurately where you have to place everything and how you can just make it look good. Okay, then this is another practice that I usually do. I simply bring on all the furnitures that is required by me in the single plan. Okay, so that I do not have to visit another plan every now and then. Okay, and then I can just split those furnitures in case they are in a block. Okay, because if they are in a block and I do not require some of the things, like I do not require the chairs over here, so I can simply recharge resize the things over here, and then I can just modify it according to my requirement and I can make a dining table like this. Okay, so previously it was, I guess, 4 for 8 and to 10. It was a dining table of for the 10 people, and now I am using it for the 6 people over here. Okay, so like this you can simply resize everything, and you can also resize the uh, like places over there. Also, if you have some kind of windows that are being blocked over there, then you can also resize them. Then I am using the sofa from the previous plan, but if you need, then you can also use the sofa from another things, like you can simply use the CAD blocks, and from there you can simply bring it over here. Okay, so I will also show you how to do that. For now, I'm just analyzing the sizes, and so that I can have a correct plan over here, like where everything should be placed. Okay, if you are placing everything over here, then you will also know that where your basin should be placed, and according to that, you can go for the plumbing works. That was the thing that I initially told you. Okay, so I'm just going for the another set of the sofas, and from here I'm just picking up the dining tables, because all these are in the same file over here. So I'm using the CAD block for the tables, and I'm just measuring the dimension of that. Okay, so whatever is convenient for me, I will simply pick from there, and if it is fitting my space, then I can simply use that. Then I will have to simply go ahead and check the other alternatives also, like what should be the requirement of my client. Like, would he like to have a rectangular table like this, or would he like to have a circular table like this? The only problem with the CAD block is that you will have to always scale the tables, and for that align command is the best one. Then like if you want to remove something, then you can simply unblock the things, and you can use it like this. Okay, so I'm just modifying the blocks over here, and if you want to learn how to modify the blocks, then you can also like visit my app. The app name is Civil Raja, and you can simply just go ahead, check it out, and you can simply just learn the whole AutoCAD commands from there. So guys, that is very convenient for you. And if you have not liked this video yet, then go ahead, like this video, because that will be very much motivating for me. Okay, so all you have to do is to like this video, and this, if you want this information to be spread among your friends, then you can also share with them, because it's free. And then you can also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, because that will help me to achieve my goals. And if I am making a video, putting on so much effort, and it is reaching out to a lot of people, then it motivates me. And if I'm motivated, then obviously I will put on the good work like this. Okay, and I will keep improving my work also. So just share, subscribe to this channel, okay, and share this video. And now you can see I am placing everything over here. So basically I'm not using a lot of commands over here. What I'm using is, I'm just using the explode command to explode the blocks. Then I am also using the block commands to bring them back into the blocks. Then I'm using the move command, copy command. Okay, and a few line commands was used while I was modifying the dining table. Okay, and then you can see sometimes you can simply copy the hash and all. If it is not being copied properly, then you can also use the hash command to like color the walls, color the cupboards. We'll also show you how to color the walls, do not worry about that. But for now I am uh, finding the right position to place the tables, and according to the placement of the tables, I am placing it for the cupboards. So you can see, if I am doing it in a plan, then it is very much easier for me to do. But if I'm just having a cupboard in the real world, and then I have to place it, I'm having the table, and then I have to place it, and I'm shifting everything from here and there, then it will be like a tough job to do, right? So even if I have to place the toilet pit like this, okay, oh sorry, the toilet seat like this, okay, and if I'm not giving the exact distance to my client, and some mason is coming over his house, and he's just placing it according to his convenience, then it will be like problematic for your client, and the client will ultimately uh, put the blame on the engineers mostly. Then he will go for the masons, because he is taking your consultancy, and obviously if you are not giving the right guidance, then he will put the blame on you, right? So just to try to give him the best work. And if you want to learn how to plan the buildings, or how you can to draft a plan in the AutoCAD, then my classes are open for you, so you can just get the professional training from me. The charge is nominal for the building planning. It is 5,000, and the classes will be online. Time can be picked according to your convenience. One-to-one classes is preferred over here. So if you are in a group, then obviously I can also reduce the fees. Okay. So if you are a college student, for that I can reduce the fee. If you are a professional, then according to your convenience, I can just schedule my time, and then I will give you the professional classes, and these classes will be a lot more helpful to you. So if you are a site engineer, or if you are some structural engineer, but you are also willing to open up your consultancy and you do not know how to deal with the clients, then you can also approach me. I will just guide you each and everything from the scratch, whatever is needed to you. Okay. Then you can simply just learn that. And now you can see I am doing the little bit of the settings over here. I am putting on the hash work over here, so that it is looking beautiful, because everything is placed over here at the proper place. Okay, that the cupboard is placed correctly over here. But to make it look a little more beautiful, I have to simply just color it. Okay, so I will color the cupboards, I will color the walls. Okay, so that it is looking beautiful. But before coloring the walls, or before using the hatch in the walls, what I need to do, I need to place the windows, because if I will not place the windows and I will simply color the walls, after that if I am placing the window, then it will not show the exact color over there. Okay, now according to the placement of the window, you can also be assured that okay, where the cupboard should be placed. Because if you have some window and you are placing the cupboard like just in front of that, then obviously it will block all the light and the air. So you should not go for such an arrangement. So you have to simply keep in mind that okay, if you are placing a window somewhere, then you have to just keep that area open over there. Okay, so everything should be precisely planned, and this furniture layout can help you out with a lot of things. Because normally what is our practice? Our practice is to put the like window in the center of the walls. But if you are going for the column positioning, then you will know that okay, I need to shift a window a little bit. If you will go for the furniture layout, then you will know that where exactly should you place your window, and then you can just create the correct dimension for that, and accordingly you can just plan your work. Okay, so that is a very good example of learning things. And if you are doing a project, then you will learn a lot than whatever you are doing, or whatever you are learning in a class. And in my professional training, I basically insist the people to just uh, share the experience. I provoke them to think. Okay, so this will help you when you are doing the actual projects. So I will also share my experiences, I will also give you a lot of projects. And not just that, I will also just train you that okay, you should just go ahead and make such a plan. Then you can also pick up your own project, and we can together work on that one. Okay, so even after the completion of the classes, you are picking up some project and you are needing some kind of help over there, then I will definitely help you out with that. Okay, so our relation will not stop just in the class, it will continue even after the classes. And you will always get a WhatsApp support, because you will be getting a WhatsApp group, that is personalized WhatsApp group, where you and I will be there. Okay, and we can communicate over there. Okay, so that I can also share my projects and I can go for your opinions. I will suggest you why I'm going like this. I will explain each and every step, even for my upcoming projects like this. Okay, so guys, this is the final product, and you can see this is how your particular printed layout will look. Okay, so in this one, one thing is missing over there. I need to just change the placement of the cupboards and all, so that I can have a better arrangement. So you can simply just go ahead and check it out like this, and always try to save your projects. Okay, so that you can have the right idea of it. Okay, now guys, I will just stop the screen sharing over here, and here is the thing. So first thing is, I think that you have a lot of idea about the furniture layout in this from this video. And now if you have liked this video, because if you have came so far, then obviously like you have liked this video, then hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my channel, because this channel is new and I need a lot of your support so that I can grow. and we can grow together actually. Now, if you want the professional training, you can simply just give me a WhatsApp, or you can give me a call on 8433248864. Number is also is in the description, and you can also download Civil Data app, and from there you can learn the complete AutoCAD. Okay, guys. So that was all for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and keep learning.